Okay, so it's IELTS speaking part one, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions, and you have to answer. Do you
Yes.
work or study? What do you do?
Currently, I am working as a school teacher in a secondary school.
Okay, that's right. What is your favorite season? Like summer, winter, spring, autumn?
I like all the seasons, but winter is the most one which I like a lot because I think it is a season where I can wear my favorite clothes and I can go out to enjoy a lot. That's why I like the season more.
Okay, what type of food do you like to eat during winter months?
I prefer to eat dry fruits in the winter because it helps to keep me warm as well and give energy more in the season to cooperate with that.
Okay, are there any festivals in your hometown which are related to season or weather?
Not too much, but there are the winter vacations are the period where we can arrange our festivals or you can say some kind of parties to enjoy that period. So we can arrange on our own.
Okay. Do you prefer to spend your time indoors or outdoors during winter?
I'm a bit kind of introvert person, so I prefer to spend time at home alone or with my family, staying home, reading newspaper, watching TV or movies is my the best time to spend
All right.
rather to get.
Okay. Overall, your answers are fine, but you're missing conclusion. So try to conclude your answer. Say, therefore, whenever it is winter, I mostly prefer to stay home. Or I mostly spend my time at home. Or I restrict myself to my home. So there must be conclusion in the end. Otherwise, your answers are good, but you are ending abruptly. So try to conclude your answer. Okay? Good job. Let's go on. What is your favorite color and why?
My favorite color is black, and I like it very much because I like it from my childhood.
I
And I
like it from my childhood. What is the mistake in this sentence? I like it from my childhood. I have liked it since my childhood. Present perfect. I have always liked this color since my childhood. So that is why my favorite color is
black.
black. Okay, let's go on. How often do you use this color?
I mostly use this color at all festivals like Eid and any other festivals.
Okay, there's no conclusion, right? And these answers are more like comments. I always use this color whenever there is a festival, like we have Eid festival, so on that I wear black dress, and whenever I go to attend any function, I especially select black dress, something like that. Okay, all right, let's go on. What was your favorite color in your childhood?
In my childhood was same color.
In my childhood was same color, grammatically wrong. In my childhood, my favorite color was same, the black color, because it is a dashing color, and every answer should be different from previous answer. Use different words, different ideas, different vocabulary, not the same thing. Okay, all right, let's go on. One last color, one last question. Why do children like pink color?
Because it attracted to children.
Never start your answer with because. You're not making proper sentences. For example, why do children like pink color? Well, there can be various reasons. First of all, most of the things that we see in our childhood, they are pink, like pink doll house. That is why children like pink color. And second, I think pink color is associated with children. That is why they love this color. So never start your answer from the middle. Because is something which should be used in the middle of your sentence. Okay, all
Okay.
right, but overall it's good. Okay, keep it up. Next one, please. Okay, do you like sweet dishes?
Yes, I like sweet dishes because it's very normal to love that. It makes our mood happy. So that's why I like
All right, now
sweet
see
dishes.
that you are answering but you're not sure about it. So when you answer, you need to speak confidently. Do you like sweet dishes? Yes, I love sweet dishes, and it's quite natural. People usually like sweet dishes, and I think I have sweet tooth. So to answer your question, I really enjoy anything sweet like a dessert after my lunch or dinner. Be more talkative. Okay, let's go on. Do you prefer to make sweet dishes at home or buy them from the market or restaurant?
I prefer to make it at home because I love to bake sweet and like cakes and desserts, truffles, वगैरह, especially on festivals like Eid ul-Fitr. It usually Eid because of meaty Eid. It's also cold. That's why I make desserts at home. Prefer.
Okay, how often do you eat ice cream?
I prefer to eat ice cream mostly because it's a very delicious dessert to eat and enjoy it outside with your family or friends.
Okay, your sentences are not very well connected. Like
Yeah.
it's a good dress and enjoy it out. You say I enjoy it with my family whenever I go out. So there should be proper organization of your answer. You're missing that organization. And then try to make proper sentences with subject, verb, object. If you miss subject and you're using object and verb only, your sentences will not be right grammatically. Okay. One more question. What is your favorite meal of the day?
My favorite meal of the day is the lunch because it's a mid time of the day. I prefer to eat full meal at that time. That's why that time of the meal is my favorite.
Organization and conclusion. Okay, two parts are very important. Thank you so much. Let's come over here. Okay, so do you often feel bored?
Actually, yes, sometime because as my colleague said, I am also kind of introvert person. I don't like to share my stories or different things with the person next sitting to me. So that's why I think this is the reason I feel bored sometimes.
Okay, when do you usually feel bored?
Because sorry, um, I think while living in the hostel, where I don't have my siblings, my parents there, and also I don't have so much activities to do there. There I feel bored.
Okay, what do you usually do when you feel bored?
These days, I do like I watch YouTube videos, like some movies or dramas, and this helped me to get over that time.
Okay, just try to add a little more. And you know, there are four things that you need to consider when you are answering. Number one, your pronunciation. Number two, your fluency. Number three, your grammar. And number four, your vocabulary. So try to touch all these things, okay? Let's go on. Do you think childhood is boring or adulthood is boring?
I would definitely go for the adulthood as boring because if I remember my childhood days, they were so much enjoyable. Maybe I enjoyed my childhood a lot, but during the adulthood, we do have so much responsibilities on us and a lot of work to do. So I think this is boring.
Okay, this is good. Overall, your language is fine, but you need to organize your answers according to IELTS pattern and you'll be fine, right? Thank you. Next one, please. Okay. Is the city where you live crowded?
Yes, I am living in Sialkot and the Sialkot city is very crowded.
Sialkot city is very crowded on the road. There is always a lot of
and-
traffic.
and-
On the other hand, there are people everywhere, something like that.
And Sialkot city is crowded because of a lot of textile factories and many employers are working there and they are also living there. That's why they are crowded.
Okay. Is there a crowded place near your house?
Can you repeat the question?
Is there a crowded place near your house?
No,
Yes, there is a shopping mall near my house, which is just go on.
No,
They
I
will
am-
not come to your house and say, "Dikhao kahan pe hai ye jagah." Okay, so just answer anything. Yeah.
No, I am living in a village, so that's why there is no crowded place in near my house because in village areas there is a lot of space to live. That's why. there is
Okay,
no
that's
crowded
very
place.
good. So even if you deny the answer, give proper reasons. That's good. Okay, do you like crowded places?
No, I am not like the crowded places because in crowded place there is a lot of suffocation, which not me feel me better. So that's why I am not.
Okay, your answers are short. And do one more thing. You need to add some strong words in the beginning of your answer. Do you like crowded places? Absolutely not. Do you like crowded places? Why not? And then go on with your answer. So use something like, oh, well, yes, I do. Do you like crowded places? Oh, well, yes, I do. Of course, I love crowded places. Something like that. So add some strong words to your answers and try to elaborate further. Practice all these topics from the book and you'll be fine, right? Thank you.